Welcome back to Ohio and Company. Has this ever happened to you? You're relaxing outside, enjoying the peace and quiet. When the air conditioning kicks on, you know what I'm talking about, that loud machine drowning out the sounds of nature and your conversation with friends. One Ohio company says, well, they have the solution to that problem with the new Quiet Fence. And Vivian Deal joins me now with the big deal here. This is a big deal, Vivian. I love this product.
It is.
Tell us what it does in simple terms.
Well, Quiet Fence is a noise reducing dampening system. It is used for your home AC. Most people have an air conditioning system sitting quite close to their patio area. And Quiet Fence is one of those products that you can just simply place in front of the air conditioner and it dampens the sound up to 90%.
I love how this was born too. Tell me how this idea came to you. And you know, we all think we have great ideas out there, but not a lot of people actually take it to actually make a product and put it on the market. But tell me how this happened.
Well, we were sitting on our patio, just like every other homeowner. The air conditioner is sitting right next to my patio seating area, and the air conditioner kicked on, and I did what most people do. I jumped up and ran inside and flipped the switch to turn the air conditioner off because we had friends over and we were chatting, and the noise got so loud that we sounded like we were shouting. I didn't really want the neighbors to hear what I was saying about them. So I said to my husband, he says, don't turn that air conditioner off. I said, what can we do? And he said, find something to put up. So I went on the internet and I searched for products that would not just be a screen, but something that would block the sound or reduce the sound or attenuate the sound. And I found nothing. There was no suitable products that was even affordable. So I came back and said to him, we need to have something that works. And we decided that something that would be much like the recording studios use, where they deaden the sound. And so we put together a prototype and we placed it around our air conditioner. We let it sit out there for a few days and it actually worked.
And so that's actually what's inside the panels is the deafening, material.
Well, what you have here are the prism shapes. They are the attenuators of the sound. Sound travels on a horizontal, and typically when it hits this, I call it the little Pac-Man. It just gobbles the noise and the sound goes away. So
this is perfect for me because I have one of those noisy air conditioners. I love my house. I want it to look better too. So it's a multi-purpose thing.
It is.
The noise and making it look better, and it's affordable, and it's very lightweight. If I wanted to, move it in place, I don't know if some people do that, move it in place. 18 pounds?
Yeah, we have purposely kept it light. we certainly see our customer is from the elderly to the young. So it's a lightweight unit that, when I say lightweight, I don't mean not durable. I mean that it actually has strong UV properties. It is polyethylene. It weighs up to 20 pounds. So it's an easy piece of equipment to put in front of your air conditioner.
So then will it ever blow over, I guess, is the other question.
Well, I've had mine up for 2 summers, and we've had a few gusts of wind, and when that happens, it wasn't anything different than my lawn furniture. It blew over too, and I just simply picked it up and put it back in place. And so that's just a simple solution. It doesn't happen very often.
And I know if you're worried about the aesthetics, it doesn't just come in this taupe color. It comes in many colors.
We have 5 colors available. We have terracotta, forest green, taupe, granite white, and a light blue.
Okay, that's perfect. And do you have to put it on the ground? We have it here in our studio on the ground, but does it have to be on the ground? What if I have an uneven surface I need to put it on?
Well, actually, there are many different types of application that you could use. In most cases, people have a hard surface patio. If you have an uneven surface, you can actually attach some lightweight fence stakes to it. It's a simple solution. You just put some tap screws in, and that takes care of that. So yeah, it's primarily designed for a concrete or paver patio.
And so I'm sure you were looking for a product when you needed one. I'm sure people have found your product. How is it going? This is a relatively new company.
Yes, the company's coming up on its 2nd year. We know that the product works well. We sell it on our website. We have a shop site that's we drop ship right straight to your door. So it's simply going in, picking the color or the quantity. We ship up to 10 if you need them. So yeah, it's a simple product.
And I'm sure people are ordering it from all over the country.
They do. And that's the amazing part about Quiet Fence. It has managed to find its way clear across the United States. And it's funny because we actually have Google Analytics, and we see that people are even searching for us clear in Russia.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Will you ship to Russia?
No.
Darn it. Well, you're a Central Ohio company too.
We
Do you
are.
sell it in local stores?
We do. We currently, this past season, we sold it in Zettler Hardware, Dill's Greenhouse, Hilliard Lawn and Garden, and of course the list continues to grow.
So this is amazing, and I think it's probably one of those word of mouth things. Does somebody get one in a neighborhood and then all their neighbors are calling?
It's exactly how it works. And the great part about it is people, you don't realize what a problem you have. And once you find the problem, and you find the people that can actually solve your problem, it's Quiet Fence. Just Google it and it comes up. Or even on Google, if you type in my air conditioner is loud, Quiet Fence will come up on the Google site. So, yeah.
I think Quiet Fence is definitely on my top of my Christmas list this year.
Good.
Vivian and
We'll see that you get one.
Oh, good. Vivian Deal, thanks so much for being with us
Thank
and
you so
sharing your
very
great
much.
product. Good
Thank
luck.
you. I appreciate it.
And for more on Quiet Fence, just click over to the website at quietfence.com. Still to come on Ohio & Company, one Ohio school is helping to combat the state's unemployment rate. How you can get back into the workforce with help from Eastland Fairfield Career Center. That's next.